Hey, this is Sheila from Healthy, Happy, and Hot. And I'm here with my sister, Cheryl. Hi. Twin sister, if everyone out there didn't know. But we are here to do our very first cooking video. Yay, we're so excited. And Cheryl's gonna tell us what we're cooking today. So today we're gonna do a vegan nacho cheese. This is the best vegan cheese that I have made yet. And it's perfect for a vegan rotel dip, macaroni and cheese, pastas, on top of potatoes, anything that you want. So today we're gonna start with, but before you do that, let me tell you, she had a graduation party for her daughter and everyone was supposed to bring something. And I brought vegan rotel dip. And someone else bought just the cheese dip that's like in the can, and everyone ate my dip. It was so off the chain. The vegan can dip, cheese dip, the cheese dip that's in the can, it was all gooey and ooey, and no one ate it. No one ate it. Nobody had to toss it. They love the vegan cheese rotels. It's awesome. So you'll love this recipe. So today we're gonna start with 3.5 cups of water, nutritional yeast, paprika, and salt. And I have onion powder, garlic powder, lemon juice, and cashews. Now, if you have a nut allergy, there are alternative recipes out there for vegan cheese. So you just have to do a quick search for that. So we're gonna start off first. We have our 3.5 cups of water that's in here, and you just basically just add all your ingredients into the pot. So nutritional yeast, gonna add the salt and the paprika. And I think we forgot to say that the recipe will be on our channel under notes. So this is lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, and cashews. Now, some of the recipes call for, say that you should soak your cashew nuts, but if you have a high-powered mixer, blender, is a blender, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. If you have a high-powered blender, like the Vitamix, you don't have to soak your cashews. You can just put them in there. Did it splash you? Yes. Oh. And so something else about this Vitamix, it really blends your soups or your cashews. It has a perfect blend to it, and you can even cook soups in here, and it'll come out hot for you. So we love the investment that we made into this Vitamix. And that's it. And so basically, you turn it on. And voila, so we blended this for about 10 minutes. And if it gets a little too thick, you can always add a little water to it. But look at that. See that smoke? That's what I love about the Vitamix. Right, here you go. So we're gonna move this to the side a little bit. And we're gonna plate this. So we have some nachos here. Let me see that. Can you see the nachos? Mm-hmm. And look at that cheese. So we're gonna plate these here, and this is just gonna be. Oh, smell them. This way, sir. Mm-hmm. Look at that. It's so good. So add as much cheese as you want. Again, and you have to figure that with cashew nuts, less calories, all natural. Exactly. You can do this. You would never know the difference. You would never know the difference. It's amazing. So Cheryl's gonna put some jalapenos on there. We like to make it spicy because we're hot. Yes, that's what the hot is for. But fresh grilled jalapeno. And so I'm gonna put this right here, and Cheryl and I were gonna taste this before we do our potato. Only if they would sell these at the football games, that'd be great. All right, so you ready to try one? Get a couple. Me too. That's good. That's good. I think we did good on first video. We did. I didn't know one. A lot of jalapenos. It's a lot of them. A lot of jalapenos. So this is good. Good. But as an alternative, you can also use this same cheese on a potato. And we're gonna put the cheese on first, right? No, you put the broccoli on first. I don't do mine like that. Okay, go ahead. Okay. You want the broccoli covered. I put the cheese on first. But you want the broccoli. And then I put the broccoli on. That's not how. Twins, but we think completely different. Okay? So put enough broccoli in there. I guess we should have planned this out first and how we're going to plate this. Okay. That's enough. Okay. You put the cheese on first. The broccoli will stick to the cheese, but okay. Look at there. And you don't need any butter or anything on here. If you want to be all extra, you can put some on the side. Can you put some jalapenos on there? A spicy broccoli potato? Okay. I'll put some on my side. Okay. All right. So we're going to taste this one too. Here we go. So this is a perfect dinner if you have like a side salad next to with it. Preparation for lunch. Yep. You like it? All right, there you go. That's our first vegan video. Yep. Vegan cashew cheese. The recipe will be online. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.